Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to import contacts into Insightly. All right. So first up, go ahead and log into your Insightly account. Now, once you're in here, go ahead over to the left panel and click on Contacts. Okay. Click on it. Now in here, go to the right panel. As you can see, we have Import and Export Contacts. Okay. Just click on Import. And as you can see here, it says Insightly can import from the sources below, and it only takes a minute. Okay, we have Gmail right here or Google integration from MailChimp, a CSV file, an Excel file, Outlook, or even contact notes from a CSV file. So just for this example, I'm going to be using import contacts from an Excel file, from an Excel file. Okay, before that, I have my downloaded or exported contacts right here. I'm going to open it up like so. Right click on it, then hit on extract. Okay, here we have the contacts. I'm going to make sure that I remember this directory, okay, which is on downloads. So I'm going to go ahead and click on import contacts from Excel file or CSV. Select the file, downloads, contacts, open, next. It says here uploading, just wait for it. And here we have the import actions. You can go ahead and add new record or update existing records, or even add new records and update existing records. Okay. I'm just going to go ahead and click on update right here. Auto detect. And it's up to you right here if you want to trigger automations and set applications right here. If not, just leave it as is and hit on next. And don't forget, under match records, click on the drop down and select record ID. Hit on next. Now, all you have to do right here is just review it. If you're happy with it, go ahead and scroll all the way down and click on Start this import. Click on it and wait for it to load. As you can see here, it is done. And that's how easy it is to import contacts into Insightly. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.